In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can enable or disable graphics acceleration here in Google Chrome, which aka is hardware acceleration. Before we dive into this, if you do find it helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for even more simple tech tutorials. It really does help out the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. But graphics acceleration, which once again was formerly called hardware acceleration, essentially lets Google Chrome use your GPU to speed up graphics heavy tasks. Here's how you can turn it on or off. Obviously, begin by opening up Google Chrome, and then up in the very top right, there's going to be these three dots. Go ahead and click on it, and then scroll all the way down to the very bottom and click on Settings. On the left-hand menu over here, you're going to want to look for the section that says System, and then look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Now here, you can just turn it off or on as needed. As you can see, mine is already turned off, but I'm going to turn it on real quick. And then after doing so, there's going to be this little relaunch option. Go ahead and click on it and it'll relaunch Google Chrome with the new setting enabled. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos just like this. It really does help out the channel and we would greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.